Hello everyone, welcome to next entities class. Today we are going to check a prime number in Python. So first of all, what is prime number? A prime number is a number greater than 1 or divisible only by 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 11. So program. This is the program of prime number or not a prime number. So first of all, we can see here n equals to int input enter a number. This is the user enters a number. Now if n greater than equals to 1, then print not a prime number. This is the prime number must be greater than 1. So here is what we do. We do check if number is less than or equal to 1. Else for I in range 2, n, we check if any number divides num, means n. Now check divisibility. If n divisible I equals to 0, percentage give remainder. If remainder is 0, number is not prime. So if n modulo I equals to 0, then print not a prime. Break the loop. So what it do? It do stop checking. Now else print prime. So run only if loop finishes without break, means no divisor found prime, then it's prime. Let's do run code in terminal. It shows, we can see here, enter a number. So let's enter a number 10. Now it shows not a prime. 10 number not a prime. Let's run one more. Input 7 prime number. We can see here this is a prime number. So that's all.